SP Scienceware's vacuum aspirator collection systems are ideal for the aspiration of a variety of liquids, including tissue culture media, supernatants, and chemical wastes. These self-contained systems include a built-in maintenance-free pump, so they don't require an external vacuum system. That, along with their compact size, makes them portable for use anywhere in the lab. The systems are available in original and HiFlow models. The HiFlow model has a stronger flow rate that works reliably with up to 8-channel pipette tips, even with 4 channels empty. Quick disconnects on the HiFlow model allow for easy removal, emptying, and replacement of the heavy wall bottle. Both models quickly and conveniently aspirate fluids and have a replaceable hydrophobic filter to protect the pump motor from fluid contamination. They also feature a safety release vent to prevent vacuum implosion of the bottle. For more information on the vacuum aspirator collection systems, contact your local Bel-Art SP Scienceware distributor.